Union Ridge families. As the principal of Union Ridge School, it is my pleasure to welcome new and returning families to a new school year at Union Ridge. I am thrilled to have students back in our classrooms. It has been incredible to witness their laughter, energy, and enthusiasm for learning. Our staff looks forward to hosting in-person events, including open house, fine arts night, fall and spring concerts and musicals, and after-school clubs. With the return of these events, it will be an amazing year. I encourage all of our parents to become active members of our PTA. With your support, our staff and students can have amazing events, school supplies, and learning opportunities. We also have a new theme to share with you. Dream big, work hard, make it happen. Your children learned about our new theme at our Welcome Back Assembly last week, and teachers will continue to discuss this theme in their classrooms throughout the year. As we kick off a new school year, be sure to visit our website and catch up on the latest here at Union Ridge through our virtual blasts that we send out every Thursday. I'm honored to serve as the principal of Union Ridge School. It is great to be a part of a community where students, teachers, and parents care for each other and strive to build meaningful relationships that support academic and social-emotional growth. Thank you for joining us tonight. Huskies, let's make it an awesome year.
Good evening. I am Dan Chambers, Assistant Principal at Union Ridge. Welcome to Open House 2022. We are looking forward to a great school year filled with many opportunities for your child to learn and grow. One way to help your child have a successful year is to make sure they attend school every day and on time. Encouraging regular school attendance is one of the most powerful ways you can prepare your child for success, both in school and in life. When you make school attendance a priority, you help your child get better grades and develop healthy life habits. Students who attend school regularly also feel more connected to their community, develop important social skills and friendships, and sets them up for a strong future. Here are some ways you can help your child attend school. Set a regular bedtime and morning routine. Lay out clothes and pack backpacks the night before. Don't let your child stay home unless she is truly sick. Keep in mind, complaints of a stomachache or headache can be a sign of anxiety and not a reason to stay home. Avoid medical appointments and extended trips when school is in session. If your child seems anxious about going to school, talk to your child's teacher, our school social worker, or other parents for advice on how to make your child feel comfortable and excited about learning. If your child is ill and cannot attend school, please call the office before 8:30 a.m. We would also like to encourage you to view our Back to School technology session if you haven't done so already. It contains important information about devices your child uses at Union Ridge. The link to view this video can be found here. Please take the time to also complete the parent survey, which is found at the end of the presentation. Your feedback is important to us. Thank you for attending Open House. Please reach out to me throughout the year if you have any questions or concerns. The partnership between parents and the school is essential to help your child throughout the school year. I'm excited to work with you to continue to foster this partnership. I wish you and your child a great school year.